Hey everybody. I'm actually going to start with a quick video because we all love hype videos. All right. So my name is Justin. I'm the founder of Mona, and I'm just going to take you through a brief overview of some of the things that we're working on and why we're excited about the open metaverse. At Mona, we build tools and protocols to accelerate the growth of the open metaverse. Tonight, you're going to hear from a number of pioneers in the XR space, talking about building new economies and technology that will span decades to come. Thank you so much. To kick things off, I'm going to take a few minutes just to talk about our vision, what we mean when we say the open metaverse, and what is unique about Mona in working towards this vision, and why this is important for humanity to think about. So first, to start the context, first I want to set the context here. Billions of people are going to spend a huge fraction of their lives inside of virtual worlds, which is why these worlds need to be built on open, interoperable systems. Current models enforce walled gardens and siloed environments that lock users into platforms that make it impossible to bring assets that they're spending tons of money on, billions of dollars a year, across to other apps and games. The reality is, if any of these platforms ever shut down, billions of dollars are going to be lost, and users will be left in the dust, essentially. This is already happening. We're seeing it with examples like AltSpace VR shutting down, Mozilla Hub shutting down. And so we want to work to build a better future. With Mona, all that changes. We're building a better future for humanity, for creators and developers, enabling them to build interoperable 3D assets and experiences that enable players to have true asset ownership. We're securing digital human rights across virtual worlds. This slide here is just showing a glimpse into over 20,000 decentralized environments, avatars, and game assets that have already been built and uploaded to IPFS and tokenized as NFTs. The way it works is creators make high-quality 3D game objects, mint them as NFTs. They could be environments, avatars, props. Then with the Mona SDK, developers can gain access to millions of decentralized user-generated content, making it easy for players to be able to actually bring their 3D assets across to multiple platforms and experiences. So through the Mona Marketplace, players are able to actually purchase assets and then make those available across other apps and games. So this is just a preview of an asset as viewed through the Mona website. You can actually jump directly into that world all through the web browser. This is an example of just one app that is leveraging Mona's SDK. This is the Mona Spaces app, which is a web-based immersive experience that allows players to connect with voice chat, text chat, and customizable avatars. So that same 3D world can also be used in a standalone app built by a developer. This is actually an example of the environment being used in Fortnite. And then that environment can even be brought across to an XR platform, as seen here in the Apple Vision Pro. So the reality is that today it is possible for 3D assets to be brought across to multiple platforms. Mona is working really, really hard to encourage creators and developers to leverage these open file formats like GLB, like USDZ, that enable this cross-platform access. So just to further illustrate, this is one slide that kind of lays it all out, where you have one environment brought across multiple platforms. Core to Mona's mission is supporting creators and developers, which is why we're building this open metaverse ecosystem by curating weekly 3D NFT drops that can be used across different experiences, and also with hackathons, like the one we're hosting this week with Edge Esmeralda and Protocol Labs and Foresight Institute, where Mona is giving away $10,000 during an XR hackathon. We're right across the street at the Loft if you'd like to come by and check it out. You could also scan this QR code and you can claim a free 3D game object to be used in a future app. So to conclude, we're Mona. We're building tools and protocols to accelerate the growth of the open metaverse. I want to say thank you to Alex, Foresight Institute, Janine, Timur, and the amazing team at Edge Esmeralda, and of course Protocol Labs for hosting us this week. It has been an incredible week. Scan this QR code to sign up for Mona. Be sure to check out Social Layer to attend the Hackathon Demo Day on Saturday if you'd like to try out some of the apps that are being built. They're really, really awesome. I think we have some people who are actually here that you can talk to, some of the developers like Nico and Josh and Jesus and Anselm, who are participating here on site. And now, it wouldn't be a night in the metaverse without a metaverse demo. So if I have another minute, I would actually love to show you a live demo of our Apple Vision Pro app. All right, can you see this? All right, cool, it works, yay. All right, so this is Apple Vision Pro. This is actually, I'm seeing all of you and you're seeing me seeing you. And so this is just a glimpse of our first app for Apple Vision Pro. So I'm just gonna place this menu over here. Basically, this app gives you access to any of the environments that have been uploaded to Mona. So just to illustrate, you can very simply just browse environments, click enter space, and then just with a pinch, you can immediately immerse yourself inside of an NFT. So this is actually an incredible world built by Ashley Zielinski. She's an artist who worked in collaboration with NASA to build Unfolding the Universe. We have a number of other spaces here in this first version of our app, like a world by Tom Sachs. Tom Sachs is an artist who actually built over 1,000 unique one-of-one planets that are all accessible across the open metaverse. And so through the app, you can access any of these. We're rolling out more and more updates to come. But yeah, that's a simple demo. You could also have, I should also mention, you could also meet with friends in the app too, which is really amazing. I was gonna do a live demo of that, but I think the internet here is a little wonky, but you could basically see up to 5 people in 3D with your Apple personas. You can actually have a full-on conference call inside of any of these virtual worlds. All right, and that's it. Thanks.